We'll guide you through how to set up Apple Pay on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Apple Pay is a great feature as it allows you to go and pay with your iPhone. So we're going to guide you through this step by step on how you can go and use it. To get started, go and find the Wallet app. It should be on the home screen. If you're struggling to find it, you can drag down and search for Wallet, open it up. Now what you need to do is go to the top right and you can go and press the plus. Now go down and you can find debit or credit card. That's what we're going to be doing in this video. If you're missing the option, do just make sure you have the right region selected in your iPhone settings. Open settings, go to general and then region and make sure it's set correctly, as Apple Pay is only available in some regions. It could be the case that you're in a region which isn't supported as well, so do check that. But if you have it, you can go and tap on it, press continue. Now what we need to do is place the iPhone on the back of the card. So I've got my card here, I'm going to do that. But alternatively, you can press enter details manually and you can go and type in your name, card number, and the rest of the details. Doing it by tapping the hole in the back is the easiest way though. So to go and wait for it to go and contact the card issuer. I've been asked to go and enter in the PIN, so I'll do that now, but this does vary. We then have the terms and conditions, so read these through, and if you do, press agree. I already have. Keep waiting, and it's going to go and take you to the next stage. Often you're going to be asked to go and complete verification just to go and prove that it's you adding the card. I'll go and press add. I won't do express travel, and I'll press not now. So you've now gone and added this into your Apple Wallet. As you can see, open up settings on your iPhone, scroll all the way down to Wallet and Apple Pay, press Apple Pay defaults, scroll down and switch on, double click side button. Then what you can do is go and double tap and it will then go and open up. You can use Face ID to authorize it and you can tap and pay.